from the last video that the rule is when we multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to flip the inequality sign. So let's go ahead and do an example. Problem, draw the line down the middle and act like it's a mirror. So we're going to subtract 3 on both sides, because if we do it to one side, we have to do it to the other. And on the right hand side, we are going to go ahead and get positive 3. Now we divide by negative 3, and based on the rule we just talked about, if we divide by a negative number, we have to flip the sign, and we are left with negative 1. So x is less than negative 1. Parentheses, we have to think distributive property. So we're going to get negative 6y minus 9 is greater than negative 27 plus 3y, because we did not change anything on the right hand side. From there, we want to get all our y's to one side. Personally, I think it's a good idea to add 6y on both sides. And then we get negative 9 is greater than negative 27 plus 9y. We're able to add 27 on both sides to get positive 18. And we get 9y on the other side, divide by 9, and we get 2 is equal, not equal. That's not what we're doing anymore. We're working with inequalities, so we are going to write the greater than symbol, y. And we can graph this. We talked about this a little bit in the other video. But in this case, it tells us that we want 2 to be greater than y. So we're still going to start 2 with an open dot, remember, because when there's no line underneath, we use an open dot. But since 2 is bigger than y, we actually want to go to the left because y needs to be smaller than 2. And that's the end of this video. Oop, I didn't realize you couldn't see the rest of my work. So I'm sorry. We have an open dot, and we're moving to the left because 2 is bigger or greater than y, so y has to be on the smaller side. We can even check our work if we plug in a number, let's say 0. Well, 2 is greater than 0, so that's good.